Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the notifications bell. I have so much more coming out for the holidays. You don't want to miss out. It's going to be really fun, so make sure you click that button and ring that bell. Okay, now that business is over, let's get into today's video. I was at Pier 1 and I saw these super cute placemats, but they are $10 each, and I love them. They're perfect for fall, great if you're hosting a Thanksgiving dinner. Super cute placemats, right? But I didn't want to pay $10 for them. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you my version of the Pier 1 placemats. We're going to be making our own leaf placemats inspired by Pier 1 that only cost me $3 to make. That's a $7 difference. And if you're buying 6 or 8 or 10, or you have a big family and you have 20 people coming over for Thanksgiving, this can save you a lot of money. They don't take that long to make, so they're really quick, they're efficient, and they're just so cute. You can customize them for your own fall decor colors, your kitchen colors. But I'm just gonna be showing you the basics of how to make these super cute fall leaf placemats. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, SteffiDcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below, so you can make your own super cute leaf placemats too. I'm so excited to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need: maple leaves, felt, a paper plate, scissors, and a hot glue gun. The first thing that we are going to do is to trace out our paper plate onto our felt and cut it out. If you're not going to trace it, you can just cut it out with your scissors right there. You also want to decide on how many placemats you're going to make. That will determine how many leaves you need, how many times you have to cut out your felt. So I'm just going to show you how to make one, and you can make as many as you'd like. Now that we've cut out our felt circle, it's time to decide what kind of leaves we're going to be using for our placemats. Now I couldn't find the exact brown ones that Pier 1 used in theirs. The ones that I found were more orange and red, so those are the ones that I'm going to be using, and that's totally okay. That's the whole point of this. It's DIY, do it yourself, make it your own. Whichever way you want to do it, it's great because you're making it. So I'm going to be using some orange and red tones, and you can use patterns in the circles, alternate the colors. So I've got red and orange and yellows. So the first thing I'm going to do is place them out, just to make sure that I have the leaves that I want, that I have enough of them. The pack that I bought is a multi-pack, so there are different sizes. So I'm just gonna make sure that each row that I do has the same size leaf in them. Once I've laid out my first row, I'm good to go. So I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and, starting with one leaf underneath it, add a little bit of hot glue and press my leaf down into that, and we're going to work our way all the way around the placemat, adding each of the leaves, and they do kind of overlap on each other. So make sure that you're placing them where you want them to go. And remember, your first row is going to dictate how wide your placemat is. So if you're pulling your leaves in so they're only sticking out a little bit from your felt, you're going to have a smaller placemat, which is totally okay, up to you. But if you're going to pull them out a little bit towards the edge, they stick off a lot from the felt, you're going to have a bigger, fuller placemat, but you are going to use more leaves. So totally up to you on how you want to do it. I have mine set in about a ½ inch from the edge, so it'll be a medium-sized placemat. Also, how tight you're overlapping your leaves will dictate how many leaves you're going to use. So I am overlapping them just a little bit, just enough so that they touch, but not too much so that I'm gonna have to use a lot of extra leaves to go around the border here. So now my first row of leaves are done. We're gonna let this dry for just a second, and then we're gonna start working on our second row. Same thing we did with the first row. I'm just gonna lay these out so I know where they're gonna go. It makes it a lot easier and faster when you glue them on. I am placing these leaves alternating in between the leaves I've already glued down, creating a layered pattern. Once you have your second row laid out, we're gonna start gluing them on. So again, depending on how far you put them down from your first row will dictate how many more leaves you'll need, how much more glue you'll need. Just start gluing them wherever you'd like. I'm gonna place mine about halfway down from the first row, so it gives it a good space and a good layering, but not so much so that I'm gonna need a ton of extra leaves. So we are going to continue working like this until we fill up the entire felt with leaves. So continue working, doing your third and fourth rows as necessary. As once you get closer to the center and you just have a little bit of felt left to cover, I like to do something a little bit different. I have 4 leaves left that I'm going to overlap from there. One up, one down, one left, one right, and it just creates this really great center for all of the leaves to come out from. It's up to you. You can continue doing the spiral in the center as well, but this is just how I like to finish my placemats off. So gluing the top, and then the bottom, left, right. Now if any of your leaves are sticking up a little bit or you think that it's just a little bit too much air, you can always go back in and add a little bit of hot glue underneath the leaves to pin them down. Once your felt is full, that's it. You're done. You've created your own version of the Pier 1 leaf placemats for much less. If you're getting your leaves from Dollar Tree like I did, it cost me $2 for the leaves and $1 for the felt. So this is a $3 placemat that we saved by making our own. It's super cute. You can customize them for your own holiday tables. Enjoy. Okay, so I told you they're super quick to make, right? And once you make one, it gets faster, so you can make 20 for your big Thanksgiving family dinner. And they're super cute and everyone will love them. They are great placemats for fall, not just for Thanksgiving. If you liked today's video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you liked it and I can make more videos like this for you. Let me know if you want to see more ideas inspired by Pottery Barn and Pier 1 and Z Gallery. I love doing this kind of videos, so let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of that. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffiedcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. We have so much more fall and holiday crafting coming up. I'm so excited to share it with you. I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.